How to share your student's iPad screen on Zoom. The student will access the remote lesson as usual on their Chromebook with Zoom. And they will use their iPad for communication, but will also use Zoom on the iPad with a different meeting ID. Using the second Zoom meeting on the iPad, students can then share their AAC app screen on Zoom. The student will not see the Zoom screen on the iPad. They will only see and use their iPad to communicate on their AAC application. But the SLP or teacher can see the iPad screen remotely on their devices using the second Zoom meeting. Basically, the student has two devices with two Zoom meetings. The SLP or teacher will also need two devices to access the two Zoom meetings.
Right, the first thing you need to do is download Zoom from the self-service and install it, right? Then open up Zoom. I have an account already set up for my student with her Boston Public School email and password. So she's all set up. And all I have to do now is join a meeting. I'm going to join with video, and I'm going to not join audio. I'm going to just cancel that. Next, I am going to share my content and my screen. If it says Zoom and photos, I'm going to go ahead and just stick with Zoom and start the broadcast. And once I do that, I have now officially shared the iPad screen with those in the meeting. All right, and then now I could click the home button, open up Touch Chat. Now that Touch Chat is opened, I can keep a record, take data on what my student is saying.
Hello. How are you? I feel super duper. I feel super duper.
And then to finish, I could just go back to Zoom, stop share.
And that's basically it. Remember, my student is still in the other Zoom meeting on their Chromebook, so they can see what their classmates are doing and what their teacher is teaching.
All right, if this setup does not work, you might need to go to Settings, Control Center, and scroll down to make sure that screen recording is enabled. There's a plus sign next to it, and that should do the trick. All right.